Hello, this is Tyler Kelleher for our Arch590 class, week 3. Week 1 we talked about our cameras. Week 2 we talked about our pinhole cameras. And now week 3 we're talking about zone systems and EV value, well, exposure values. We worked in for teams for the first part, and my team was me, Steve Keene, and Mike Paganetti. And we worked with burning hot dogs. And that basically talked to the point of exposure values, and I thought it was very informational. I thought class could have been maybe run a little bit better because I think a lot of people had the same thoughts, that everybody was throwing out numbers and it kind of got confusing, including myself. We all kind of, I mean, I was confused the whole time, but I just have a hard time with numbers in general. So that was my my feelings about that. But other news, the zoning systems, I thought is very helpful to know and to learn, because it's good to really get out there and just kind of experiment with understanding how to really control the picture to like the best that you really want each and every light category to come out in a picture. The It's good to use it. It's good to use that kind of technology because it really gets you in touch with the picture. One thing I kind of didn't understand basically was if we're supposed to be using the gray card or not for metering. Like, I understand that gray card is supposed to be this neutral color, that's what I'm getting out of it, but I don't know, I just was using my camera and the metering system on that, like the middle part, I just assumed, I mean, I don't know, I don't have any experience in this, so I just assumed the middle dot was where the exposure is neutral, and then you try to get the exposure +2 would be like 10, and -2 would be really dark, like 1 or 0. That's the way I took it. It would have helped if maybe we went over this in class. That is the only thing that I think I would have liked to have known when this class was done, but it didn't come up, so that was something that really would have been helpful. The course is basically going the way I thought it was going to go. A little differently. I didn't know we were going to do pinhole cameras, but that was a good surprise because it was actually a lot of fun. It didn't really work out at first, but it was a lot of fun. Along with other people that I've already noticed, I've been posting up videos that I would like to eventually get out there. I mean, I've been going out there on my own and with friends as it is, just to take pictures, but it'd be good to go in class because I bet, Phil, you have a lot of information that you could give us, and that would be very helpful to the class and to everybody in the class. And but besides that, I think it's being run pretty well, and I like the fact that we have many different mediums of expressing the class, like really communicating well. I think we're all pretty close, but all the different technology that we're using is bringing us closer, so that's good, and it's a good class atmosphere, I think, and we're getting along well. So, and group work helps with that, and I'm glad that we did that group work. So that's about it. See you next week, week 4. I'll try to come up with something funny. I couldn't really do anything this week because I didn't really know how to make this funny. But next week. Till then, adios.